Hello food enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a crunchy and delicious treats for you. Save. Whether you enjoy it as a standalone snacks or you can use it as a topping for chats. Save is a versatile and delightful snacks. Let's jump into the kitchen and make some together. In a large mixing bowl, combine Gramflour, Asafoetida and salt. Gradually add water to the mixture and knead it into a smooth and non-sticky dough. The consistency should be firm enough to hold its shape. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoky. Take the portion of the dough and load it into a save press or chakli maker with a fine save making plate. Press the dough directly into the hot oil in a circular or a crisscross motion, creating thin strands of save. Fry the save until it turns golden brown and crispy. Ensure even cooking by flipping it if needed. Once done, remove it from the oil. And there you have it, our homemade crispy save. This is perfect for snacking or adding that extra crunch to your favorite chats. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crispy and flavorful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!